Hello everyone, I'm Nick from Benchmark Products, here to introduce and demonstrate the superior performance of our Sweet Ultrafiber wipers. These high-performance wipers are fit for use to meet the rigorous standards of cleanliness and durability required in pharmaceutical and life science manufacturing facilities. Let me show you the Sweet SC6 wiper. This wiper is made from a synthetic blend of polyester and nylon and is specifically designed with a textured pattern, which enhances its surface cleaning capabilities. In fact, this Sweet Ultrafiber material has the capability to achieve up to a 5-log reduction when dry, without the use of disinfectant. Here, we have the heavy-duty Sweet SC12 wiper, which is constructed of the same Sweet Ultrafiber material. Sweet Ultrafiber wipers are uniquely manufactured from high-density split ultrafibers and a strong double-welded border seam. These wipers are non-particulating, abrasion-resistant, and offer unrivaled absorbency compared to traditional polyester and microfiber wipers. But what truly sets Sweet Ultrafiber apart is its exceptional fiber size and composition. Compared to leading competitors, Sweet's ultrafibers are a fraction of the size. This means that Sweet wipers have a superior ability to penetrate invisible crevices present in critical surfaces. When you use Sweet wipers, you can have confidence in their ability to break surface tension to effectively remove residues, contaminants, and penetrate invisible surface crevices that will harbor microorganisms. This ensures thorough cleaning and allows for the optimal application of disinfectant. Now, let me demonstrate how to use the Sweet wipers effectively. First, it's important to have a clear understanding of your facility's standard operating procedures. As a good rule of thumb, we recommend you should not wipe in circular motions. Instead, for efficient wiping, wipe in one direction using parallel overlapping strokes. Always make sure to start wiping from the cleanest area. This helps prevent cross-contamination and ensures effective removal of residues and unwanted contaminants. When utilizing the quarter fold method, remember to use a clean wiper surface for each overlapping stroke. Finally, it's important to dispose of contaminated wipes after single use. This helps maintain a clean and aseptic environment. The Sweet wipers from Benchmark Products are the ultimate choice for high-performance cleaning in critical manufacturing areas. With their Sweet Ultrafiber construction, they offer superior cleanliness, absorbency, and durability.